Dear students, in the previous lecture we have give the introduction about the heterocyclic aromatic compound and their disconnection and their probability of forming or designing the organic compound. Today we are going to discuss with the pyrrole, thiophene and furane from 1,4-dicarbonyl compounds. Since the diketones and the other dicarbonyl compounds are easily made by the enolate chemistry, this strategy has been very popular and more now we shall taking this some details compounds. Benzofuran example the methofurane first, which contributes to the flavor of mint, comes from the diketone second by simple disconnecting the enol ester through the enol disconnection. We have the 1,4 fused diketone second. The starting material is again 1,4-dicarbonyl compound, but as there was no substituent at C1 of the furane ring, that atom is an aldehyde rather than a ketone. This might lead to the problem in the synthesis, so a few changes are made to the intermediate before further disconnection. Example oxides the aldehyde to an ester to make it more stable towards the reduction, as in the further synthesis reduction will be needed. So here we are taking the 1, 2, 3, 4 diketone fused with the benzene ring. It is going the fragment group interconversion, and interconversion is at the fusion we have added the ester group and here the ethoxy group. Now, having this carbon-carbon cleavage, alkylation of the enolate, it is giving the ester keto ester, and first and the second is the halo ester. So this is halo ester. This halo ester is more stable than halo aldehyde, as in the previous case we are having this aldehyde group, so this aldehyde group is rather converted into a keto group. Now we are going to take the synthesis of methonfurane, which is the starting material. Cyclization with the acid now causes a lot of happens. The 1,4-dicarbonyl compound cyclizes to a lactone, not to a furan, and the reductant ester group is lost by the hydrolysis and decarboxylation. The double bond moves into the conjugation with the lactone carbonyl group, and finally the reduction gives the furane. So here we are taking this menthofurane. Now this menthofurane is the keto ester giving the reduction, and in the second step it is going to be this ester group is attached here. Now this is as a starting material treating in the acid and heating giving the lactone. Lactone is a 5-membered ring, furane containing carbonyl group adjacent to the oxygen atom. This on reduction give the menthofurane. Now we are taking the popular reaction nor-pyrrole synthesis. Pyrrole esters such as these three are needed for the synthesis of porphyrines, which is the main component in the hemoglobin, and chlorines, that is the most important component in the chlorophyll, and the corines, the most constituent property exist in the vitamin B12, B12, B12. Ester 3 has the heme side chain. This is having the heme side chain and can be converted by the hydrolysis and decarboxylation into a pyrrole fourth with an active reposition fourth. The disconnection of carbon nitrogen bond on the other side from the ester group forming the 5 and 6th, it does not mate, whereas the double bond starts out. So we'll always get the aromatic product. So this is analysis 1, the third compound giving the disconnection at the CN forming the NH2 and C double bond O, or it is forming the C double bond O and NH2 here, 5th product and the 6th product. Alpha beta disconnection of enone 6th gives a simple alpha beta disconnection. So this is alpha beta disconnection will give us only alpha beta disconnection of 6 will give the 7th and amino ketone 8th. Each of our two much simpler starting material need to be made. The ketoester is a 1,5-dicarbonyl compound, so it can be made by the conjugate addition of an enolate, a process greatly assisted by the addition of the second ester group. So this is second ester group undergoing the fragment group analysis, and here this carbon-carbon cleavage fragment group analysis, that is we have attached the CO2 Me group here. This is the first carbon atom, second, third, fourth and fifth carbon atom, and we have attached the ester group at the second carbon atom, and now we are doing the conjugated addition. By the cleavage of this carbon-carbon bond, we are having the CO2 Me and double bond, carbon-carbon double bond here, and this is the substituted keto ester. The other compound is an amino keto ester and will certainly react with itself if we try to prepare it as a pure compound. So it is released into the reaction mixtured by the nitrosation and the reduction of the another stable enolate. So this is the keto ester going the nitrosation, forming the unstable nitroso compound. So written in the square bracket, it is converted into the stable oxime. Zinc in acetic acid reduces the oxime to a amine, and we can start the synthesis by doing the conjugated addition and then reduction the oxime in the presence of keto ester. So it is the keto ester, it is the ene ester in the basic medium. They are adding up, addition takes place, and in the zinc acetic acid we are adding to the conjugated addition of conjugated double bond. This is stable oxime compound and forming the pyrrole. This reaction forms the required pyrrole in one step. First, the oxime is to an amine group forms an imine with the most reactive carbonyl group, the ketone, in the keto diester. Finally, the very easily formed enamine cyclizes onto the other ketone. So it is this combining with the ketone ester NH2 group here, it is going the addition here and forming a pyrrole substituted compound. This pyrrole synthesis is known as Nor-pyrrole synthesis, which is very important method of synthesis. The substituted hemine containing the pyrrole group, main constituent of hemoglobin, vitamin B2 and the chlorophyll. Thank you.